Welcome to our YouTube channel, where we discuss the latest trends and news in the automotive industry. In today's video, we'll be talking about the Mazda RX-8, a sports coupe that was first introduced as a concept car at the North American International Auto Show in 2001. 2 years later, it went into production, replacing the RX-7, which had been in production since 1978 and went through 3 generations. While the RX-8 has only had 1 generation produced from 2003 to 2012, there have been rumors about a possible successor. In this video, we'll show you what the RX-8's potential successor might look like, based on current Mazda design trends. One of the defining features of newer Mazda models is the large angular radiator grille, visually merged with the headlights and L-shaped LED daytime running lights. The elongated horizontal taillights are also styled in a similar manner to the CX-60 and CX-90 crossovers, built on the new rear-wheel drive platform. The rendered car we'll be showing you retains one of the RX-8's signature features: 4 doors, with 2 of them opening in reverse. Of course, the main highlight of the RX-8's technical specs is its rotary engine, the Renesas 13B MSP multi-side port, which is a development of the previous 13B motor. When designing the Renesas, Mazda aimed to overcome the main drawbacks of rotary engines: poor fuel efficiency and environmental impact. Unlike the previous twin-turbocharged 13B engine, the RX-8's engine is naturally aspirated, which has resulted in lower power output, 192 to 250 GP compared to 255 to 280 GP in the RX-7. However, Mazda has shown interest in developing a successor with a rotary-piston engine, as evidenced by the recent release of the MX-30 e-Skyactiv REV hybrid crossover with a similar engine. So there you have it, a brief history of the Mazda RX-8 and a glimpse at what its possible successor might look like. We hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more automotive content.